Today I'm going to show you my brand new favorite way to use the Intersect Group. So let's get cracking. Friends, Tinkercad added an awesome new tool called Intersect. We're going to use it today with Sketch. Simply bringing in a sketch piece, and I'm going to use the little pieces to draw a piece of molding. So I'm just going to click, hit number 3 to do a smooth curve. Notice these are awesome because they make the curve smooth automatically. See how that moves to the right spot? And then I'm going to finish it just like this. Number 1, though, to make that one straight. Finish sketch, fun molding, whatever. You know, it's not exact, but here's where it gets cool. I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to make a twin of it, Control D, rotate it 90 degrees. Remember, if you stay inside the circle, it's super easy. I'm going to take these two where they would connect. I'm going to do L for a line, and I want them to be to this corner and this corner. Just because I know I need it, I'm going to do Control D, and I'm going to do Shift Nudge to move those away. And here's where it gets cool, friends. Instead of just group, we can do Control I, and it merges and makes the corner. How cool is that? Let me just double click to edit this so I can help it make a little more sense to you. When you do intersect, they have to be completely connected, like these two are running into each other. And then intersect simply goes with the parts where they are connected. All of these chunks that are outside or not both touching or and touching, they get cut out. This is what's called a boolean operation. Double click and peek in lets you get a better glimpse of how those are the only parts that remain. W for work plane and drop. And then this one, I'm going to just use Shift Nudge to move it over. Let's put the work plane back down. Bang. How cool is that? Of course, if you do Control G, they group into a solid part ready for 3D printing. All right, so we're keeping this one super fast, friends. Once again, intersecting, they have to both be completely touching so that you can do an intersection group. If you make your own awesome creation, I would love to see you mention it in the comments down below. I do want to quickly say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 different levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Also, a quick shout out to my Patreon group. Love how the group is growing. We are almost up to 300 members. It has a fantastic messaging area where you can gain skills, ask questions, and post designs. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.